Today you're gonna see some updates to the garden. You're gonna see me pull out an old boxwood and then put in my purple Weigela. Now this boxwood was one of the first two things I planted when I bought this house. So I got two boxwoods free off of Facebook Marketplace. Those are the other boxwood. So you can see what kind of height the other one had at one time. But the other one's just so like yellowed and diseased. So I had to cut it down and move it. Update on the pond. We're gonna get a lily flower. So that's exciting. So this will be the second lily flower of the season. This one here had one before, a white one. You can see all of the fish are hiding. I think they're hiding under here. Oh, look how massive these roots are. That's crazy. That's massive. And I'm still debating on getting at least one koi or koi and overwintering it in the basement. I talked to my old work husband because he's getting into fish with his daughters, and his uncle used to overwinter fish in the basement in a kiddie pool. And to feed the fishies, the fish flakes. Throw under the floating island. It's noon. All under the island here. Check out this caterpillar. on my Musifolia Canna. I thought that Japanese beetles were eating these leaves. Turns out there's other culprits. I've been terrible about documenting things with the garden. Unpredictable gardener. But I've been trying to straighten out my walk-through paths with these T-posts. I've been throwing string out and trying to straighten everything across the yard. So I ended up shortening and moving this post here and shortening this garden. And then obviously shortening all this here. That was all fenced in. And then shooting a string over there, and you can see how much of a difference there is with where the garden is and the pathway. So trying to get that as straight as possible. Obviously this garden here, this garden bed is tilted inward, and that garden bed is tilted inward. Difficult. It's raining beans, whole beans. Over here by my Canna, I was looking at this the other day. This is a really nice combination here with the zinnias, the polka dot plant, and then the salmon multi-bloom geranium. I think I'm going to repeat this combination next year for other hanging baskets. And in my Canna here, I have a bloom. This is the first time that this variegated Canna is going to bloom in this area. So that's exciting. My coral berry is starting to produce berries. And it's getting pretty high here. This is the variety Candy. So 2.5 high by 3 foot wide. It's sort of shoved in here in the transition garden. Now that it has some height, I will give it more of a prominent space. Originally I wanted to put one of these in the front yard,